Alright, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch on Diablo mode when you are using the Redmagic Nova gaming tablet. So what I'm going to do is to go into the Game Space. So I'm going to tap on the Game Space icon here. Now you can get to Game Space in a couple of different ways. I've just chosen to get to it from that shortcut menu there from the main desktop. Now in here you're going to have a number of games. I've only got the one game because I've just had to recently do a complete reset of my Nova tablet due to some unforeseen problems that I was having with it. Who would have guessed? Anyway, but what I'm going to do here is just to show you quickly that within any of the games that you've got here, you've got a set of like settings which are unique to that game, which can then just be stored with that game. So what I'm going to do here is just tap into COD Warzone here, and then once I launch that from the start button there, as it's launching, what we can do is to swipe in from either side of the screen here. Let me just confirm this, that's just a fan setting. So I can just swipe in from either side of the screen here. So let me just swipe in from this side. Then what we can see now are a whole bunch of like tons and tons of different settings. I'm not going to go through any of these because like there's too many of them to go through, but you can go into a whole bunch of stuff here, like your fan modes and like, you know, your frame frequencies and stuff like that, all kinds of cool stuff. But I'm just going to quickly show you where we get at Diablo mode. So on this left hand side here, we've got like these two kind of columns. We've got that column there and we've got that column there. Make sure you're on this column here, then simply just scroll right to the very bottom, and then at the bottom we are going to have Diablo mode. So let's just tap on Diablo mode. Now it's going to give us like, you know, a bit of a warning here because Diablo mode does use a lot more power and it will heat up the tablet more. Then we'll just click on OK here, and then at that point we have now got Diablo mode switched on. We've also got another confirmation of it here as well, where we can actually switch it off if we want to, but I'm just going to click on the X there because obviously I want to leave it switched on. Anyway, as far as Diablo mode is concerned, that is it now switched on for Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. And right now it will only be on for that particular game. It won't be affecting any other game. However, if you wanted to switch it on another game, once again, as soon as you go into your game space, select the game, launch it, then go to the shortcut that I've just shown you to pull up all the extra information and all the extra settings on the screen, and then just switch Diablo mode on from there. And then any of those settings will be remembered on a per game basis. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please do give us a thumbs up, and a sub to the channel would be absolutely awesome. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.